is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following counties, in Maryland, Frederick, Howard, and Montgomery. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for northwestern Howard County in central Maryland, northwestern Montgomery County in central Maryland, southeastern Frederick County in north central Maryland, until midnight. At 8:59 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain which will cause flooding. Up to 1 inch of rain has already fallen, and up to another inch is probable through 10:30 p.m. This includes flood-prone locations Price's Distillery Road at Green Valley Road, Woodbine Road at the Pawtuxet River, Shaftersville Road near Florence Road, and Longhouse Road at Magruder Branch. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.